Hello, my good fans out there. Once again, I welcome you to my program. I remain Dr. D.I. June, your lecturer on chemistry on social media. So, my past lecture was on order of reaction. I said that it is the sum or the addition of the concentrations of the product of the reactants, and we have given an example of a reaction and also the rate equation. But right away, we will discuss on rates of chemical reactions. Rates of chemical reactions. So listen to what I have. The rate of a chemical reaction is the number of moles of reactants converted or the number of moles of product formed per unit time. Take it again. The rate of a chemical reaction is the number of moles of reactant that are converted per unit time or the number of moles of products that are formed per unit time. Now, this can be expressed mathematically or in an equation form. See it here. Rate of reaction is equal to change in concentration of reactant or product all over time taken for the change. So, rate of a chemical reaction tells us how quickly a chemical reaction occurs. That means the speed with which a chemical reaction occurs. So, in a reaction like, for example, zinc reacting with hydrochloric acid to produce zinc chloride and hydrogen gas given off, we can measure the speed or the rate of the reaction by three parameters. One, by taking a given quantity or a given mass of the zinc, and then two, adding excess of hydrochloric acid to it, and then three, noting the time taken for all the zinc to be converted or reacted. When we have done that, we can now determine the rate of chemical reaction. So when we have done this, the reaction rate is now given by the equation as follows. If you have seen the three parameters we have just used, it means that the rate of reaction will be what? Amount of zinc in moles per dm cube all over time taken in seconds. So therefore, the rate of reaction is defined as the speed at which reactants are used up, or the speed at which products are formed in a given reaction. To measure the rate of a chemical reaction, a property of the reaction which is related to the concentration of one of the components is usually chosen to indicate or show how far the reaction has changed, and to observe the way in which the magnitude of that property varies with time. So some of these properties include the volume, the pressure, the concentration, the color intensity, and the pH, that is the hydrogen concentration. So from this, you can see the speed of a reaction, which refers to what? Rate of chemical reaction. So please like it, share it to your friends, access my bio and see my profile, and then go to my YouTube and subscribe. Thank you.